Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you English. Our first lesson, what a bird thought. So, it is about the thought of a bird. Now you see in this picture, in this image, even you can see a bird here. Yes, can you see it? Yes, the bird is in black and gray color. But what he is thinking? We have to go through the lines so that we will understand. Yes? So can we start our English first lesson? What a bird thought. Okay. So I'll read these 4 lines and afterwards I'll explain you. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Okay, so you see here we are going to learn, read the bird story and the thought of a bird. Bird says, I lived first in a little house. Little house means, a small house. He used to live in a very small house and lived there very well. Peacefully he used to live. How he used to live? Peacefully, without any disturbance. Peacefully, calmly, he used to live in a very little house. Little means small. Very well means nicely. Okay? Without any disturbance. The world to me was small and round. So he was happy in a little house. So that whole world looks like to be very small for him. And in a which shape? Round. Yes, so many peoples will say our earth is also round. But no, it is not a round in shape. It is oval shape. Okay? So for him, the world is like very small and round and made of pale blue shell. And how it is made? It is made like a pale blue. Means this one light color blue. Okay? So you understood what I am explaining? Are you getting me what I am going to explain you? Once again, I will read and explain you. Okay? Yes, I lived first in a little house. This bird first used to live in a very small house and afterwards he actually changed his place. That we will come to know in our next lines. But how he used to live? He used to live very well, peacefully. Means he used to enjoy in that little house. The world to me, whole world seems to him as a very small and round in shape and made of pale blue shell. Okay. Now, next paragraph. In poem, as it is a poem, what a bird thought. In stories, we will be having paragraphs. And in this poem, we say these 4 lines as stanzas. What are these called? Stanzas. Okay? Not the paragraph. I lived. So, next stanza I will read. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Okay, here he thought that where he is living, he was to enjoy it. And afterwards, he just changed his place and he made a little nest. Nest means have you ever seen the nest? The birds build nest on the trees. Yes, nor needed any other. Here, he actually don't need any other. And even birds don't allow anyone to come and take rest in their nest. Okay? Birds, where they live is called nest. Where we human beings live is called a home. So for them, it is a home. So here, what again the bird says? I thought the world was made of straw. Okay? I thought the world was. Here he is sharing his thought. And he says, I thought the world was made of straw. He is feeling that the world is made up of straw. And covered by my mother. It is covered by a mother. Okay. The whole world is covered means he is actually relaxed. He finds that I am very safe. No one is going to touch me. No one is going to harm me. मुझे कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकता. मुझे कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं देगा. So he used to think about it that this whole world is covered by my mother. So I'm here safe. I'm here comfortable. Okay. Here the meaning of straw. Meaning of straw is for that fodder or some material for packing. It is actually required. It is just like a dry material. Okay. Like some stalks, some grains. These things are used. Okay. So it for him the world is just like a straw. Straw means a dried stalks of grain. Okay. Yes. So we completed here 8 lines. 8 lines means 2 stanzas. Okay. In poem, what I said here, 4 lines makes 1 stanza. Now we will come to a third stanza. Okay. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Now you see, one day what happened? He fluttered from the nest. Means he moved to make something move quickly. Okay. So he just moved away. What is the meaning of here fluttered? To move from there. Okay. Or to make something move quickly. To see what I could find. Because he moved from there. He left his nest and want to see so that he could find something for him. I said, the world is made of leaves. Wherever he just see, all over he finds trees, leaves, plants. So he was just telling, for him, the whole world is just like a leaves. I have been very blind, as if I am very blind. Blind means can't see anything. I have been very blind. I can't see anything. All over, wherever I just see, I find the whole world is just made up of only the leaves. So this stanza also I covered. So three stanzas are over. Now next stanza we will read. Okay. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I can't tell. Can you? Now you see, this bird actually shared his thought. Last, these four lines, I will explain you. Okay. At last, I flew. Flew means he just flew away. उड़ जाना वहां से. What is the meaning of flew? उड़ जाना. Beyond the tree. What is the meaning of beyond? Huh? On or other side. Front side or on the other side of a tree. And saw the sky so blue. Now you see, he just come to know that sky is completely blue in color. Totally. Yes, na? Even we see that sky color is blue. Now, how the world is really made, you only tell me. Here, bird is also asking from us. Now, you only childrens explain me how the world is, because I don't want to say. Here, the bird is also telling the same thing. I cannot tell. Can you? If you understood the lesson, yes, you can see the whole world is so beautiful. Huh? Our sky is blue in color and earth should be always green in green. If we will grow more and more plants, so that wherever you just open your eyes, you can see only the trees around you. Why we should grow the trees? Because it gives us oxygen and takes out the carbon dioxide. Yes, na? We inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. But how the plants live, you know? Plants takes our carbon dioxide and they live, and they give us only oxygen, and we breathe oxygen. Okay. So because of this reason, we have to grow more and more trees. Even there are so many reasons why to actually grow more and more trees. Okay. Once again, I'll explain you. Huh? So now you see in this picture also, here everything is shown. Here river is there, okay, and so many trees, some mountains are there. How the world is looking really very beautiful, no? So like this way the poem was also very beautiful. आपको समझ में आया सबको मैंने जो पढ़ाया? अभी मैं आपको फिर से और एक बार समझा देती हूँ. ये एक बर्ड का स्टोरी है, ठीक है. ये जो बर्ड है ना, ये अपना थॉट शेयर कर रहा है, मतलब उसको कैसा लगता है, ठीक है ना. कभी कभी हमको भी कोई चीज अच्छी लगती तो हम अपना थॉट शेयर करते हैं ना. यस, लाइक दिस वे ही इज ऑल्सो शेयरिंग हिज ओन थॉट. He used to live first in a little house, and that too very well. And afterwards, he just find the whole world is very small and round for him, and made of pale blue shells. It looks like a blue color shells. Then next, he just changed his place from a little house to a little nest. There even he didn't find anyone. At last he thought that the world is completely made up of straw, means it is a dried or grains, okay, and covered with my mother. But one day he fluttered from the nest. He just moved away from the nest to see that what could he find for him. And that world is completely wherever he just want to see. He find only the leaves. And he was just telling, really the world is completely made up of only the leaves, or I am blind because I can't see anything. I am blind or what? Like this way, he felt. At last, he flew beyond the tree and saw that the sky is totally blue in color and the world is really beautiful. But that bird even asking us that how you want to express, how you want to share your feelings for the world. Okay, so here you see in this picture how you are just, is it clear to you all this picture? Yes, now you can see this picture and find out the things. Here rivers, trees, and here some houses are also there. So many things, mountains. So this world is really looking very beautiful. Now this homework you have to note down. Okay, if you don't understand this, you can message me. This is our first lesson. This is our first poem. What a bird thought. What he thought. Okay, yes. Now next one is, here one thing new I want to explain you. In each and every poem, you will get the rhyming words. What are called rhyming words? I want to explain you. Now you see here. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. The words which ends with a similar sound. Okay, जो word poem का last का जो word रहता है lines का, वो उनका sound अगर same रहता है with the same sound. Now you see here this word well, shell. The sound is same, L, E double L, ending with E double L, and here also ends with E double L. So here well, shell. Such type of words are called rhyming words. Now in this stanza, I explain the rhyming words. Now you see in this next stanza, you observe. I'll send this page. You just observe and find out the other rhyming words. So this is the homework. First one, I explain you. Once again, I will repeat the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words. The words which ends with a similar sound, with the same sound, are called rhyming words. For example, well, shell means E double L, E double L. Same words and a same sound. So these are called rhyming words. I hope you understood this poem, What a Bird Thought, our first lesson of English subject. I'm going to share this page also, and the homework is you have to write down the rhyming words in your notebook and read this poem. Tomorrow again, I will give you the next exercises, or if we don't find any exercises, we will do our next lesson. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you all of you for listening me. Okay? Bye.